Welcome back to the Compressor Guru. Folks, we got another mystery. Recently we did a 2545 Ingersoll ran. We showed a few things about it. It was a typical rebuild. Part of the rebuild was lightning in a bottle, recent episode. But I want to show you something that we found in that machine. And I cannot figure out what happened. Now, I've seen some weird things in weird places, but this is actually the plate that we replaced out of that machine. And you can see how small these holes are. And when these holes, when everything's assembled on this, it looks like that. These are little flapper valves. And I can't even get my finger under it to get it to flip up a little wee bit. But these are the valves that open, and these valves open going the other way to let the air through the intake and the discharge. And this is the low pressure cylinder valve plate and head. That being said, I want to show you what I found in the intercooler on the low pressure side on this. And this is about a quarter to a third of what we actually found, because when I found them, I set them out on a cloth like this and said, hey, camera wife, we're going to do an episode based on this. And I set them here on a bench on a thing like this. Walked in one day and they were gone. So I actually had to go through the filter on the parts washer to get these out, and I put them in this because these are obviously delectable to the varmints that put them where I found them. And I'm going to show you that on a still picture that we're going to show you here in a second. So that's probably a third of what I found. So this is what I found in the low pressure side of the intercooler in the manifold where the three tubes hook. And some varmint, had to be a little varmint, because look at the size of these holes, had to be a little varmint because they got past the air filter, and the air filter was on the machine. Went through here, got through here, and when the compressor stopped, the piston had to be down a little bit because that piston goes right up against there. Went back out here and stored all these little seeds. And I don't even know what kind of seeds they are, but I know if I leave these out here and not put them in a can and seal the lid, some of the local varmints will have these. I might leave a few out for them and give them a treat. But
so point to where they go in and come out of again.
The air goes in here, which the mouse had to go.
Open up a little further then. Okay.
The mouse had to go in here, goes through here, and I can almost reach that. I can't. This is the plate, and it's just like that. No, it's just like that. And it would push out through here, go across the top of the piston, go in through there, and deposit these in the manifold of the intercooler. Now, you see how hard this is to get a little bit of a fingernail on and pull back to get out. I can see it getting in there once, getting hungry, eating the seed and dying, but it didn't do that. There's no mouse in there. So that little varmint, that little mouse, whatever it was, figured a way to go in, deposit some seeds, and get back out. Now, realize to get back out, I can't figure it out. You can't just go past these So getting out would be tougher than getting in. Folks, I have no idea how this happened. Val just presented a thought. I don't know if it's right or wrong. I kind of doubt it's right. But, folks, I can see them getting in because this flapper will open this way. They can get on top of the piston. That flapper opens that way and they can get into the manifold. How did they get back out? Because they would have to pry that up, go out the hole, pry this up to get back out to go up through here. Friends, I want your theories. Leave them in the comments. Contact me through thecompressorguru.com. John, down in Panama, you know who you are. Have you ever seen anything like this? There's other guys out there that do this work that are tuned in.
If we planted some of these seeds, we might grow what it is that it came from.
Well, these are in fuel, gasoline, parts wash cleaner. I don't know if they'll ever grow.
I'm not thinking they're going to grow.
I don't think they're going to grow, but the ones I got out before I run it through that might have grown, but they're growing inside a mouse. They're not growing inside a mouse right now because I left them out just like this in here. Came in, they were gone. So some mouse got an easy treat. But friends, it's something that's stored nuts. And how'd they get them in there? Let me know. Like and subscribe and help me solve this mystery. This isn't the mystery like the valve plate on the Quincy, which nobody has come up with that yet. But this is a mystery about a mouse. And I'm looking for an answer.
We're leaving these ones out for bait. Maybe we should just leave a camera run all night, but we won't.
God bless. Have a great day. Be nice to your mice. Feed them. Don't let them into your compressor. Go watch another one of my videos. God bless. Bye.